Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the File Explorer not responding issue in Windows 11. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Control Panel, then click on it. After that, look for the View By option and change it from Category to Large Icons. Now click on File Explorer options to open its settings. In the General tab, set Open File Explorer to this PC, which helps load File Explorer faster. Then, in the Privacy section, click on the Clear button to remove File Explorer history. After that, click on Apply and then OK, and close the window. Next, click on the search bar again and type Task Manager, then open it. Once Task Manager opens, scroll down and try to find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. When you find it, right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh File Explorer and fix temporary freezing or not responding issues. After restarting it, close Task Manager. Now, click on the search bar once again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair them. The scanning process may take some time, so wait until it completes. If any errors are found, follow the on-screen instructions shown after the scan. Once the scan is completed, close Command Prompt and restart your PC to apply all changes properly. After restarting, open File Explorer again, and it should work smoothly without freezing or not responding. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.